Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video we are going to talk about Amazon Prime Reading. Now this is the most important video which many of you have already seen on my channel. So I'm going to go and show you how to exactly subscribe Amazon Prime Reading and what are the benefits, what are the things which you will get once you subscribe to Amazon Prime. So Prime Reading is a part of Amazon Prime multi-benefit subscription which is addressed to the subscribers. So Amazon Prime, it's a subscription offer in which you get multi-benefits. What are the multi-benefits I will show you exactly how to subscribe to Amazon Prime and what are the multi-benefits which you will get. So please hold on to the video and you will see all that happening across. Now it was introduced in 2016. Amazon Prime Reading gives unlimited access to selection of hot Kindle ebooks, popular magazines, children books, comics and short reads. You can choose over 1000 Prime Read titles. They are carefully selected by Amazon editors. The list is being frequently updated with current issues of magazines and hot new Kindle ebooks. The launch Prime Reading included such titles such as Harry Potter and Sorcerer's Stone, The Hobbit, The Complete Peanuts Volume 1 or issues of People Magazine and Sports Illustrated. People who are preparing for competitive exams, you can go get all the books through e-reading. That is, you can read the book online. Below you'll find most common questions about Prime Reading answered in simplest of the ways. So let's see what are the questions which normally people have. So how much is Prime Reading? Prime Reading is a part of Amazon Prime subscription which I have already told you. So you have to pay the entire subscription cost, which is you can pay it in three ways. It is either monthly or quarterly or you take it for an entire year. I would suggest you to take it for an entire year if you have rupees 999 with you. If you don't have, then you can take the 3-month subscription of $299. The price you pay for Amazon Prime includes, beside Prime Reading, over 20 other features such as free 2-day delivery, unlimited streaming of movies and musics. These are some of the benefits which you will get. You can pause the video and you can go through it. Now what do I get in Prime Reading? Now Prime Reading lets you read books, magazines and comics from a list of 1000 titles. Now it's more than that. Okay. You will find Kindle bestsellers, fiction, non-fiction, Kindle singles. What books and magazines are there on Prime list? All the books and magazines, especially the popular ones, the hot selling ones, are available on ebook. How can I subscribe? I've already told you need to subscribe for Amazon Prime and you will get Prime Reading benefit as well. Can I try Prime Reading for free? Yes, after signing up for Amazon Prime, you will get 30-day free trial period. If you unsubscribe during that period, your account won't be charged. It is enough to explore the list of Prime Reading titles and find out whether this offer is good for you. Okay. Now, how do I cancel Prime Reading? Well, you can end the membership. That's what device I need to do. Kindle owners or normal desktop or your iPad, you can use it. What is the difference between Prime Reading and Call? Well, both Prime Reading and Kindle owner lending library are included in Amazon Prime multi-benefit subscription. You can use them both with your membership. So this is what is the difference between Prime Reading and Kindle Unlimited. Now Prime Reading and Kindle Unlimited are two different services from Amazon. Prime Reading is a part of Amazon Prime multi-benefit subscription and offers unlimited access to 1000 Kindle books, magazine and comics books. Kindle Unlimited is a standalone subscription that offers unlimited access to over 1.4 million Kindle books and magazines. It is about 1/4 of the Kindle store offer. So this is the basic difference which people were asking in the earlier videos. So this is what I wanted to clarify. So almost all books including Prime Reading are also included in Kindle Unlimited. The catalogs of Kindle Unlimited and Call are very similar. So if you're looking for access to a wider selection of titles than this from Prime Reading, you can first of all make use of Kindle Owners Lending Library, which is a part of the same Amazon Prime membership. However, if you read a lot of books and one book per month is not enough for you, you can consider getting Kindle Unlimited on top of Amazon Prime. This is what you need to understand. With Amazon Prime, you will be getting Prime Reading free. But if you want to read more books, you need to purchase Kindle Unlimited, which is on top of Amazon Prime. Okay? So this is the basic difference between Prime Reading and Kindle Unlimited. Okay, is Prime Reading available for international customers? Well, that is. And I'm sure this video would have certainly helped you. Now I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime and what are the benefits you are going to get. Just hold on. So this is what the message you get once you join Prime. Thank you for joining Prime, and these are the things which you are getting as a subscription once you subscribe and pay the Prime membership fees. I have subscribed for 1 year for rupees 9.99, and these are the things which I will be getting through my subscription. So let's see. Unlimited fast delivery options, guaranteed free 1 day, 2 day and standard delivery on eligible items. You can pause the video and can read through it. Most of the times you need to pay rupees 100 for 1 day delivery every time, but once you take Prime membership, you will not have to pay for this, and this is a big saving. Imagine 10 items you ordered and you had to pay rupees 100, so 1000 rupees you already have to pay without Prime membership. But if you take Prime membership, all your deliveries for 1 day will be free, or the standard deliveries as well. Then you get Prime Video. Well, this is the lockdown period, and this is why this is the most important benefit of Amazon Prime. You get the latest and exclusive movies and TV shows, which are one of the best TV and movie shows today available. You get Prime Music absolutely free of cost, which is ad-free with unlimited offline downloads. Can you imagine? You are a lover of music and you love to listen to all types of music. You are getting Prime Music for free without any ads. You can download unlimited Prime Music content. Then you have unlimited 5% reward points through Amazon Pay, ICICI Bank credit card. Now this is what I was talking about, Prime Reading. Read anytime, anywhere and at no cost. Read as much as you want from hundreds of eligible ebooks, comics and more. With catalog across the literature and fiction, quick reads, romance, non-fiction and ebooks, Indian languages, you will find something to read. You can get the best deals first through exclusive access to top deals and coupons. You can always look for Prime once you are getting the options you are searching for while you are seeking to buy a product. So this is how you will get the benefit of Amazon Prime, and it is worth every rupee for your purchase. So I would advise all of you to take this subscription and make your life more easy and simple. Now I've already showed you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime and what are the benefits you are going to get. 1 day delivery, Prime videos, Prime Music, unlimited 5% reward points, Prime Reading. Grab the best deal first through exclusive coupons, and you can look for the Prime. This icon should be there whenever you purchase an item. Now let's talk about Prime Reading, for which this video is all about. Now once you click on Prime Reading, these are the options which you will get. These are the books which you can read absolutely free of cost. So, new ebooks added, Prime Reading. These are the options which you will get, and you can read this online. So, this is the category wise classification of all the books, and it's quite nice to see all the books arranged in different categories. So I hope now you understand how to get the benefits of Prime Reading once you subscribe to Amazon Prime.